You want a product that's going to flush those German roaches out of those areas they're hiding in, or other insects that are giving you a problem, then I got a ready-to-go product for you today, guys. We are talking Shockwave right here from MGK. Let's get into it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Craig here again, howtopest.com. Guys, if you've been watching our videos, you know that we talk about those problem insects out there, and then we talk about what is the best pesticide to treat those problem insects. Well, today's product is a fantastic one, guys. Shockwave, like I told you in the intro. Shockwave by MGK. This product has been out for a long time. If you are a pro in the industry, I am telling you nothing new. This video is probably not for you, but you DIYers out there, or you guys that are new to the pest control field, you want to have this product on your truck or in your house. Shockwave. And why? Because Shockwave, like I said in the beginning, it is ready to go. You don't need any mixtures. You don't need any special spray equipment. It's right here in the can, guys, in a 17-ounce can. And what does Shockwave do, and what does it have in it? Well, Shockwave has 4 different things going for it. It is not only a knockdown, which means you spray it, you knock them down fast, and I'm talking within minutes. It has a residual that is going to last for months unless it gets washed away by the rain outdoors, and it is an indoor-outdoor product, and we will get into that. But guys, it has a flushing agent that makes them come out of those cracks and crevices that you can't get to, and now they're just hiding back there waiting for your pesticide or waiting to go around it. Well, not with Shockwave. Once you hit them in that crack, crevice, or that void, they are going to come out, and they are going to come out fast, and that's why that's good for German roaches. But last but not least, guys, this has a IGR, and we are talking Nygaard. And if you know anything about IGRs, Nygaard is one of the best. A Nygaard IGR, or what is Nygaard IGR? An IGR is a growth regulator. So for those of you that don't know, it's not an instant kill, but what it does is it stops the insect's reproduction cycle. So what happens basically in a nutshell, they reproduce deformed, and they can't reproduce after that. So it just eventually breaks that cycle over time, and it holds up for a long time also. So in Shockwave, you're hitting them with just about everything. Now, Shockwave is bifenthrin. So what is bifenthrin? It is a pesticide that works on the insect's nervous system. And once again, in a nutshell, without getting too scientific, it basically just makes the nervous system misfire all over the place, paralyzes them, and they just die because they can't eat, they can't drink, they can't do anything. But it happens fast. I'm not talking you hit this and then wait weeks later. This is within minutes. And if you get it directly on them, you will see that firsthand. Now, when we deal with German cockroaches, do I go out to a job and just use Shockwave? Man, maybe if it's just a little spot treatment type thing. But for the most part, no, it's used as a flushing agent. So we're going to go out there, we're going to put down our chemical of choice. My chemical of choice for roach jobs is generally Alpine, WSG. I put that out around the perimeters, all the areas I'm going to spray along the baseboards. And then those areas that I know they're hiding, I use Shockwave. Because once I take the Shockwave and I spray it back in that void in the wall or that crack and crevice, it forces that German roach out. And when it forces him out, not only is he getting killed by the Shockwave, but it's forcing him to run across my Alpine that I have out there, or whatever my chemical is of choice. And you professionals out there, you know that's how this works. Now, Shockwave doesn't just kill German cockroaches. It's just what most professionals use it for. And then alongside fly treatments and things like that, if you're doing space treatments, like in a room, in a kennel, things like that, that makes it a great product because it's going to knock those flies, those house flies, those fungus gnats, going to knock them out of the air and just wipe them out, and then leave a little residual in the area. Now, I want to backtrack on that a little bit. If you got an area and you don't want to leave residual all over your walls and stuff like that, then Shockwave is probably not what you want to use for that. You want a more centralized product, like say for flies, you want like an Alpine pressurized fly spot bait, or you want a Max Force fly spot bait, things like that, where you know exactly where you put it and the flies come in. But let's get back to Shockwave, guys. Shockwave comes, just like I showed you, in this 17-ounce can, and it comes like this, ready to go. But what they do is they give you an application straw that goes on the end of this little thing right there, if you can see that, and it allows you to get deeper into those voids. Now, Shockwave will not leak, it will not drip, but basically if you need that straw, you put it on and you put it back in there, in the crack or the void, the crevice, whatever it may be. How much Shockwave do you put? It's going to vary on what you're going after, but most treatments are going to be 1 to 2 second bursts. They can go up to 20-second bursts, but that's going to be for cubic feet, and you have to measure that for your space sprays that we talked about earlier with the flies and things like that. But most of your treatments, it's just going to be a 1-2. Now, you're going to shake it up really well. You're going to stick it back into that void, straw or no straw, depending if you need it, and 1-2. Same with down below in like cracks on the ground behind baseboards. It'll be like a 1 second burst for like 3 linear feet is about what that'll be. So you just got to measure your area, but in most cases, it's just going to be like 1-2 and out. Now, space sprays, remember this, if you do use this for a space spray in a room, you have to shut everything up, the windows, the doors. You have to remove any living creatures out of that area. We're talking fish tanks, birds, grandma, Ethel, whatever it may be, and everybody stays out until this stuff settles and dries, usually about an hour. Come back in, ventilate the room for about another hour, and then let people in. That's longer than the label says, but better safe than sorry. And yes, when you spray this, it does leave a little bit of a, I don't know what you describe it as. It's kind of like an oily smell. Now it goes away after a few hours, but understand that it is going to leave that. Now, where can you use Shockwave? Man, you can use this stuff everywhere. You can use this in food establishments, non-food establishments, hotels, motels, trains, aircraft, not the cabins of the aircraft where the pilots and stuff are, but you can use it in boats. So if you have that boat that's been sitting for a while, this is a good example, and you take it out on the river and somehow all of a sudden there's spiders on the boat, well, hit it with Shockwave before you go out. Just take up your seat covers, things like that, little Shockwave in there, the motor compartment, little Shockwave in there, and you'll wipe out any of those spiders or those bugs that have been hiding out over winter, waiting to nibble on your booty when you get out in the river in the summer. So you don't want to come back with anything besides a tan, right, in the summertime? So Shockwave is great for that, guys. There's a lot of areas I'm not mentioning right now, but man, read the label. Label is king. Go over to howtopest.com, punch in Shockwave, scroll down till it says label, punch that up. It'll tell you everything I'm talking about right now and much more, much more. This thing can be put in classrooms and hospitals, nursing facilities, home cares. I mean, just about everywhere. Just understand again, where there's people, they have to come out. Take your fish tanks out. I just mentioned that. If they can't come out, because I know some of those bigger fish tanks cannot come out, you have to cover those well, and you need to unplug the pump so you are not sucking stuff in. Now, outdoors, where can you put this? Man, go up under the eaves, the weep holes in the windows, around door jambs, around windows. You can go in some good areas outdoors, but it's a spot, crack, and crevice treatment only. It's not a space treatment outdoors. And be aware outdoors, if you have a rain coming like we do today, then you would not want to do Shockwave within that 24-hour period of knowing you're getting rain, because you don't want to wash away a product and put it in non-target areas, let alone you don't want to spray if it's heavy wind and rains outside, because you're blowing that into non-target areas. So be aware of that. It's kind of common sense, but common sense is not so common, am I right? Shockwave Aerosol from MGK is just a product that I recommend everybody have on hand, because you don't always have the need to mix up a whole bunch of chemical, mix up your sprayer of choice. You just don't need it. It's just a small area you're dealing with, and that's where this comes into play. So guys, if you need Shockwave, jump over to How to Pest. We have it on there, like I said, punch it in there, and we have all the other chemicals I talked about also. PPE for this, guys, is going to be long sleeves, glove, pants, socks, shoes. You want to protect yourself, man, especially if you're spraying this as a space treatment. I would put a respirator on too. We do. And when you do, quick little pro tip, space treatments, start at the furthest part of the room and work your way out of the room and then shut that door and let that sit. It says 15 minutes, but man, the wind is kicking up. Hopefully my camera doesn't go down. But I'd go the hour like I talked about, just CYA in pest control, because you only want to kill the bugs and not anything else. Am I right? Guys, that is it. Shockwave in a nutshell. If you have any questions or you have any comments, throw them in that comment section down below. Hopefully they're nice. And I am happy to answer them for you. Guys, we put these videos out multiple times a week. So if you have not subscribed, please do so. Just go down and hit that subscribe button. And like I said, you'll get these videos all the time. If there is a product that you would like me to talk about or an insect you would like me to talk about and I have knowledge on it, I'm happy to do that for you also. Just put it in that comment section and we'll do that for you guys. That is it. Shockwave again, MGK, Craig, howtopest.com. Have a fantastic day.